and we might build this one flow platform where system that connects with planning to execute to billing. So that can be product can be easily delivered with checking all progress and profits. Many companies use different tools for different tasks like time sheets, invoices, expenses. So that can be tracking the profit of that project and progress of that project isn't much more difficult. So that we make with this one flow to solve that problem by keeping everything linked together inside one platform. Now we see that firstly, this is the admin panel. And admin have all access and all rights on this site. So that can review every feature in the admin panel. Like that, this was this one. Admin can see how many projects total currently run, how many revenue, how many expenses, how much profit we earn, how many tasks currently working, tasks completed, winning hours, and non-winning hours. After that, revenue versus expense graph, project progress and distribution. After that, resource utilization, final overview, all that things. After that, we see the projects. In project currently three project we see like that. Okay. After that, also we create a new project. This project, new project is created by admin and project manager. Task template only can be done task. If we can make a new project like that, we give a project name, which is project manager because this is admin. Tax, what is tax for that priority, how much priority, deadline, some images of the product so that can be looks and some description for that. Now we see e-commerce platform. We see that this platform have a sales, how many sales order, how many purchase order. We also route that custom invoices, vendor bills and expenses. We see like that which client how much duration, how much progress currently done, complete e-commerce platform with user description for the project task. We can also see all tasks by just clicking this view all tasks. We can also see sales order, purchase order in a numbers, revenue, expenses, and profit for particular project. If we see sales order, so that can be we direct sales order to this product. Okay, and we see e-commerce 1,25,000 dollars. We see task. After that, we have a task. We can drag and drop this task by admin and project manager that can be easily handled task. We can click this new task name, assign employee name, project, which is project, check that project deadline, priority, and description of the task. So that can be created like that. After the timesheet, how much timesheet, like total hours, billable hours, non-billable hours, all that things we can see like e-commerce project billable the hours is 8 hours, 6 hours billable. Yes, yes. We can also edit and delete this and also search, filter, and group by project task in billable status. So that after that we go to sales order, how many sales that can be in finance. So that can we also track the finance system on that. We see uh, this sales is linked to e-commerce. Okay, so that can be changed by admin only from which project sales connected. And now we see admin can change that, and also we see that is paid, how much amount, which project, and customer also. After that, we also see this project amount. This is only request sent. Okay, this is not paid. So we also like that. We can edit and make that paid after when we paid. After that purchases with things we purchase for this project particularly, so that can be expenses can be tracked easily. So that can be simply how many sales, how much sales, how much our purchases, how much expenses, and then can be easily revenue generated. We can also create a new purchase order like that order ID, vendor name, project name. We can track project like that. So the drafts, products, quantity, price, total can be also and create a purchase order. Okay. After that, expenses, we can also create the same expenses for particular project, which category, how much amount, which date, and which expense we call, which project link. We can view, edit, and delete. Invoices, we can also simply generate an invoice so that can be easily to tracking us how much expenses can do by companies and that vendor bills, which bill is paid and which bill is non-paid, we can also track by them. Now, this is a whole admin panel and admin have all access of this site. Now, we can see like that member dashboard. Now can we see how many hour log, task completed, active task projects, and this is a team member. Okay. And he want to uh, take a promotion. Okay. Then meanwhile company promote this team member to team manager. So that can be request to admin, that can be make a project manager. So that this request is also important like that. Okay. So that how much task assigned to this employee, how many project this assigned to this employee, we can also see. We can see how much task in new in progress and done by this answer. So this is by employee. Okay. Yes. We can see like this. We can see dashboard. Admin have also access to all, but project manager dashboard is not for all. We can create also new project to add something and we like that a mockup data. Total project revenue, expenses, and profit. We can change data so that when we will see the data is dynamic. Okay. So the project manager have this much of dashboards only. with the projects, how much projects under this project manager. Meanwhile, this project manager have control to website design, mobile web development. So that can be only see to this project manager. All projects can be seen by admin. So they assign this much of task to employee and which employee. So the sales order, how much sales order of can be assigned under this project manager. Meanwhile, we see that the project manager website design. Okay, so that when we see sales only fetch a data of website design only. Okay, after that purchases order, we can see somehow purchases order also, like when we see in admin panel, and we see like that all access or all data of that can be project, which can be at a project is not changeable by project manager. Okay, that is only changed by admin. We can see only edit and delete option have uh, project manager have. Expenses after that we can see, after that invoices we can see this much of invoices, after that vendor bills, and all much of things, which is we can see also there a profile section that can be email role, and also this person make a request to like we promote this project manager admin and how our flow works. That have also live project fetching revenue costs from invoices, post parts come from a vendor's bills and approval expenses. So that can be data all are linked to each other. So that can be a company is not use other tools or different tools. That can be only using this one flow, and all of that project like making a product to deliver product, all can things can be tracked in this platform.